Hi guys, I went and test flew this Carbonette 12 on a damp wet grass common, and as I feared, it's warped terribly. I hope you can see that. Got a real S shape on the rear stabilizer there. It's obviously where some damp's got into it, and yeah, the worst has happened. It made it fly quite impressive. Up until that moment it had been doing all right, and then it suddenly decided to nosedive. So I'm wondering what I can do to fix that. I'm going to try putting a bit of moisture on it and then clamping it between these two bits of cardboard. Oh. Well, something like that, without a jumping paper clip, but something to hold it flat and see if it'll actually dry flat. I've no idea if it'll work, but I've got nothing to lose. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dampen it, clamp it, and leave it to dry. Got some different paper clips that hopefully won't spring off. So we'll just leave that and see what happens. Knowing my luck, the balsa will bond to the cardboard in some way or other, and we won't be able to get it apart. But that's being negative. Let's just hope for the best. Well, while we're looking at it, I can see the one on this side's gone a little bit curved as well. But we'll try one side first, see if that works, and then we'll have a go at the other side. Well, that didn't work quite as well as I hoped. It's still got quite a curve to it. In fact, touching it brings it back again. And on top of that, I clamped it too hard. We've now got ridges on it. So, yeah, not so good. Worst case is I'll have to replace that tail. I've got some thin balsa somewhere. It's also gone curved on this side, so it obviously got well dampened and warped. Bit of a shame, that. The other option would be to actually glue some cross members on there to flatten it. Just some thin strips. That really has gone for it. Yeah, that's curving right up again now that I've taken the clamps off it. Yeah, we'll have to do some work on that separately. Don't fly in damp weather unless you've varnished or sealed your wood.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.